There was great fun this morning trying to get everything under cover before Hurricane Ophelia hits. And the greenhouse got packed in record time, I really must say. I don't know, can you see out there out the windows, but the storm is really whipping up now. And just a few plants had to come into the house. The dahlias that need to be cut back soon, and the gingers, which will also need to be cut back. Just a few. It's lucky I have a very understanding family. And you can see the greenhouse has been packed as best it can. Now, it's not been done in a terribly sensible way, just a very last minute hurry before the storm way. And there's that shelf there that Alberto arranged so expertly, and it's fine, it's still the way it was before. It's just this side of the greenhouse behind the sweet pea which really needs to be cut back now that we see everything has been put in. It's now about 3 o'clock and winds are at what?
70 kilometres an hour.
70 kilometres an hour, so it's quite breezy out there. My neighbour lost her shed and all the pots that were in it, but thankfully the wind hasn't been blowing from her house to ours, so we didn't sustain any of the debris. Let's just see if we can move over here. And it's quite rainy now. Yeah. And here we are, the morning after the storm, and I think I've gotten off quite lightly, really. I told you about my neighbour's shed. She also lost a tree, but I see that my Robinia twisty baby, while not uprooted, is definitely at a jaunty angle. It's come away from the stake. You see the stake there? And the tree tie broke, but I imagine I can just straighten that up and it'll be as right as anything again.